Hey guys, this is Pam. I figured I'd shoot you a really quick video while I was on my way to the nail shop to get a mani-pedi and get my eyebrows done. But I want to encourage you guys while you're building your business, and most of us, we're in business because we want to design our own life and we don't want to worry about punching anybody's time clock. We want time freedom, we want freedom so we can just experience life and enjoy life with our families. But I want to encourage you in your pursuit of doing that to not to forget about your purpose while you're doing it, because sometimes we can get so caught up in our work where we'll really forget about, well, not so much forget, but we'll begin neglecting the very thing, you know, that we're in business for. You know, like say if you're working your business online or whatever, but you're spending hours and hours and hours of time online neglecting your family, that's not good. Because you're gonna catch a lot of flack behind that. So I want to encourage you to stay focused, and if you're spending hours and hours and hours on end building a business online, you're not doing something right, because it really shouldn't take that long. I understand when you start doing it, you know, you may spend a little bit more time, but you want to make sure those hours that you spend online are really productive and you're doing income producing activities. That way you're not wasting a bunch of time, especially if you're promoting your stuff on social media, because social media can be a time suck if you're not careful. If you don't really know what you're doing, you just kind of floundering around doing stuff here, doing stuff there without a plan, you can really waste a lot of time, and when you waste time, you waste money and you lose money as well. So really be very careful about that, and you know, get yourself a plan down and stick to it. Make sure it's an efficient plan. You know what your goals are. Be very crystal clear on what your purpose is and what goal it is you're trying to reach, whether you're trying to make a certain amount or whatever it is you're trying to make sales. Make sure you have it crystal clear on what you need to do. You need to understand your numbers, what it's going to take for you to reach your goal. Once you have that in mind and you're very crystal clear about that, just work your plan and you can be really efficient. You really can get a lot of stuff done, if not everything, within 2 to 3 hours a day, guys. You don't really have to spend a bunch of time online, but there's programs for that to help you be more efficient in your business, especially if you're working online. But alright guys, that's a quick nugget I wanted to share with you on being efficient and keeping focused and knowing your numbers. So I'm pulling here up at the nail shop now. If you are having a hard time with getting your time down and understanding your numbers and just being really efficient, don't worry about it. I'll help you out. Go ahead and click on the link down below, and I got some good stuff for you. You know, check it out. It may be for you, may not, but it's helped a lot of people to be a lot more efficient in their business, and not only do they gain efficiency, but they gain momentum and they gain more sales and whatever it is that they're looking for, because they actually have something that's step by step that's helping them do what they need to do. Alright guys, I love you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next video.